What's up, everybody? My name is Fab Casso, and welcome back. Don't worry about the lighting right now, because we're about to head outside. Because I just got home, and there's two boxes sitting on my porch. And I don't know what the one is, but I'm pretty sure I know what the other one is. So without any further ado, I'm gonna crack these boxes open and see which one is which I want to show you first. And we're probably gonna hydro dip something today. So yeah, without any further ado. Alright, and just like that, another Kyrie 6. I'm gonna hydro dip this. So the process of this, I'm gonna show you guys a step-by-step process. But the process of this, as you can see, the colorways, white, black, and with the yellow tongue is like the Kobe. Crap. Oh, forgot which Kobe it was, but it's a Kobe. The cheetah print Kobe with the cheetah print on the upper. So what I'm gonna do with this is, of course, take out the laces, tape off the tongue, and probably like towards the Velcro on this side, then the tongue on this side, and maybe this rubber piece too. Probably gonna tape the rubber piece off too, and hydro dip the rest of the toe box with a cheetah print, so it can look like the version of the Kobe's. As you guys know, Kobe's is going for money right now because of the circumstances. But without further ado, I'm gonna go outside. No, not right now. I ain't gonna do that outside. I'm gonna cut up the hydro dip film, which I'm gonna show you guys. All right, so let's see if I can back this up for you. Well, as you can see, first sneaker is taped off. Like I said, I'm just gonna be hydro dipping the toe box right here. So now what I'm gonna do is tape off the next sneaker. Then we can take it outside, then dip these sneakers. Alright, so the next part of the process, let me get this water off the top right now. Alright, so sorry about the wind, but the next part of the process is gonna be putting the film, this side down on the water, waiting until it like wrinkles up, spraying it with my Dip Demon activator, then dipping the sneaker in. And yes, this time I saw all the comments and everything. I do have a filtration system. I just couldn't find it last time. But yeah, again, I apologize for the wind if there is any in the video. But yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna put this film down on the water. Main thing is you want to make sure water doesn't get on top of the film. I have my gloves right here. The water I'm using is warm water, like warm water as in like if I'm going to take a shower type of warm water. Oh yeah, get my gloves on. Put my filtration system on. I don't know if you guys can see it in the video, but the film is getting all wrinkly. Let me just take the camera. See, the film's getting all wrinkly. It's gonna go flat once I spray the activator on it. So, filtration system on, like I said, then I'll spray it. Alright, now I'm gonna wait kind of like 20 seconds or so. Now I'm gonna dip the sneaker in. I have right here. Alright, I'm about to dip it now. Stuff from around it, and just like that. Simple as that. Of course, water gets in the sneaker, but that's fine. Alright, so the next thing I'm gonna do is rinse it off with cold water. So be right back. Alright, just a little like I guess a pointer. Instead of like trying to fish out all the excess film out of the water, just dump it and just fill it up with a new batch of water. It's a lot easier and time consuming, and when you're doing this you just want to do it right the first time. So yeah, just do that. Now as you see, it's a different camera angle, just so you guys can see better, like it actually being put in the sneaker actually being dipped in the water. Alright, so it's quicker than I thought it was going to be. So I know in the last clip I was like, I'll get back to it whenever I want to get back. Not want to, but when the sneaker dries. It's been raining outside all day today, but I took the sneakers to work with me today, and I legit just put them down like towards, I drive all day pretty much to different patients, but I put these in my work van and like put them down on the passenger side where the foot heater is, and that's how I dry these in the day. So you gotta do what you gotta do. And as you can see, just the lighting here, it pretty much took it took very well around the sneaker. There's just some parts I'm gonna like around the edges that I'm just gonna clean up with some paint, because for some reason it didn't stick. So there's some parts right there I'm gonna clean up. This one came out pretty well. Same issue as that one. Well, it's just some parts around the edges I have to clean up before I spray it with my finisher. It's not gonna take too long. I have Angela's flat black right here. My paint brushes right here. I'm just gonna do so all it's missing is some of the spots. So I'm just gonna fill in some of the white areas with black to for, of course, the spots. Then let that dry. Then I'm gonna spray it with a finisher, and I don't use any special finisher. I just use Krylon, and I always use a matte finisher. So you see, it's Krylon matte finisher. So without any further ado, I'm gonna which brush should I use? Let's use this one. I'm going to, like I said, fill in. Pretty much do touch-ups. I'm gonna do the touch-ups, then I'm gonna spray it, then I'm gonna lace the sneakers up, then show you guys what the final product is gonna look like. Thank you for bearing with me. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this hydro dip so far. I'm enjoying it, especially since it's something different than the typical hydro dips. I'm pretty sure all you guys see like Air Force Ones or Vans. So this is definitely different. So yeah, be right back. Alright, and just like that, the sneakers are done. My Cheetah Kobe inspired Kyrie 6s, and of course the nod on the inside of the left sneaker. You might not be able to see that, but it says Mamba, and the nod on the right sneaker, it says Forever. So that's the nod to, of course, Kobe. And just like that, another hydro dip down, another Kyrie 6 custom down. This might be my last Kyrie 6 too, unless I just happen to come up with some more stuff. I have other ideas, but I want to do them on other sneakers. But yeah, just like that, the sneaker is finished. My Kyrie 6 Cheetah Kobe inspired sneakers. And this hydro dip came out amazing. So yeah, I have another hydro dip video in the pipeline. It's gonna be a LeBron on the other one, probably a Joker one. Wait for that to come out. And yeah, again, here's sneakers. Let me know how you guys liked it, if you guys even liked how these came out. I think they came out amazing. Let me know if you know the original sneaker, what it looks like, if it's pretty, colorways pretty match up pretty well. So again, I want to thank all you guys for watching all my videos. Definitely don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, because I am doing a giveaway at 5,000 subs. Still haven't decided what it's going to be yet, but I'm definitely going to be, it's going to be a nice little care package. Again, like, comment, subscribe. You can follow me over there on my Instagram. My Instagram is also FabCasso, one word, that is FABCASSO. And until next time, peace.